several factors. Is the relationship emotionally, physically draining? Is it abusive in that aspect as well? And understanding that, that's how you know if you're in a toxic relationship. When it comes to you both being together, you're always arguing, there's always levels of disrespect happening, emotional abuse, physical abuse, where you're just unhappy in that relationship. Like you don't feel like yourself. You feel inferior in that relationship. Those kind of things can cause depression and just make you feel down and out, and in a sense needing to seek therapy because you're not being yourself because you're in pain.
Right, right. And to add on to that, one of the biggest things to help you identify is seek support from your friends or professionals to really gain perspective. Because you're in a situation where you may not see what's going on, but if you have an outside perspective who cares about you, who loves you, who just appreciates you, they'll let you know, hey, maybe you might be in a toxic situation and you probably want to remove yourself from that situation. So, these are a couple of points that we have to help you identify if you're in a toxic relationship.
Also, just because the relationship feels like so fiery and intense and it's like a roller coaster all the time, that's not actual love. Love is not a roller coaster. Love is calm, love is sweet, and love is kind. Okay? A toxic relationship is fiery, it's intense, and it feels like a roller coaster, like you're trying to catch your breath each time. It doesn't need to be like that.
Yeah.
That's too much intensity for the human heart. Okay, so
Yeah. Yeah.
don't look for relationships like that. No.